In this video, I want to talk to you about how to turn your boring, lifeless words into vibrant, persuasive copy. Now, I'm going to talk specifically about website copy because it can form the basis for everything you write, but you can really apply these principles to anything within your business that you've written. Proposals, email sequences, landing pages, anything you write, even blogs, anything you write, we can add some what I call wordology to it. So wordology is the science of layering in persuasion principles, voice of customer research, and your brand onto boring, lifeless words. So say you've already got a website written and it's just not doing its job. It is not pulling its weight, which means that all the marketing that you are doing, all the blogging, all the posting, everything you're doing to try and market your business, and you're leading people to a website which is just not pulling its weight. It's not getting the clicks, it's not getting the conversions. That means all your marketing is done in vain. So if your website isn't doing its job, you really need to start there. Make sure that the words on your website are as highly converting and persuasive as possible, and then work backwards out, and then you can start kind of really vamping up your marketing material. Or the other way to look at it is if you want to use AI or ChatGPT to write words for you, which is absolutely brilliant. I mean, I'm not against that at all. It's a great first draft. So you can use a robot or an AI tool to write the first draft of your website, or even to write the first draft of anything for your business. But then how do you make it persuasive, vibrant, add your personality? How do you make it stand out in this bland sea of content? And we know content creation is only going to get bigger and bigger and bigger as more people are using these AI tools. So how do you make yours stand out and actually work for you to bring in leads and bring in conversions? So the wordology method comes in three parts, and I'm going to talk to you very quickly about these today. So the first part of wordology is what I call my clever trick method. So this is using voice of customer research. So it's getting what's in your dream clients' heads on your page. And I'll teach you my clever trick method, which is how you go about layering in all these amazing words and phrases and challenges and motivations and objections that your dream client has, layering them into your copy and in your words to make them super, super persuasive. So that's the first step of wordology. The second step is sales psychology. So here I'm going to talk you through some really easy, quick to apply sales psychology tips and tricks or persuasion principles that you can layer into your words, or how you position your words in order to really make them stand out and make people want to click those buttons if it's a right fit for them. We're not trying to make people click buttons if they don't want to, but if you are attracting the right person who wants the solution that you can offer, they are going to want to click if we can add some sales psychology into the words. And the third part of wordology is brand. It's your brand pizzazz. It's your brand personality. It's your messages. It's what you say about yourself, what makes you different. You have to weave those into the copy as well. So the Wordology Masterclass, which is where I'm going to teach these three steps, is it's an hour-long session, a 60-minute session, where you can either come along with website copy that you've already got written, or you can get AI or ChatGPT to write your website copy for you. And then I'm going to talk you through these three principles. So how you can add wordology, or the science of writing words that sell, into your words. So like we talked about, through voice of customer research using my clever trick method, through sales psychology, and through brand messaging. So we'll talk through those three elements and how you can use them to really lift your words, to make your words stand out in this boring sea of sameness that is being generated by AI, or just these mass-produced blogs and content that we're just seeing over and over again. You as a business owner need to write for your business. It's going to have to happen. You're in the digital age. You need to learn to write. And if you can learn all these really basic science-backed tips to make your words stand out, your business is going to fly. You are going to have that competitive advantage over other people. So I am going to, as I said, I will use website words as the kind of base for this, but you really can apply wordology to anything you write for your business. So it is beneficial for you whether you do want to kind of rewrite your website, or whether you are writing anything for your business, or even if you're outsourcing it and you need to know what to look for in someone that's writing the copy for you, the masterclass is perfect for you. So it's great for service-based businesses predominantly. Coaches, nutritionists, VAs, anyone who has a service business. It's great for marketers and copywriters and marketing VAs who want to learn this skill of copywriting. You can come along as well and learn how to Wordology your clients' words. It's great for anyone who has a website that is not converting and you really just want to make it work harder for your business. And it's great for anyone who is learning how to use ChatGPT or any AI tool, and wants to know how to take what this robot has written and make it personal and make it stand out and make it vibrant and punchy and persuasive and all the things that are going to bring clients into your business. So Wordology is my personal method. You won't find this anywhere else. It's a unique methodology that I have perfected over the years, and I can't wait to share it with you.